Alright guys, good morning. It is Friday and we are not at the PhillyinthePhilippines market, the wet market. We're actually up here at the Apo Market walking around, and we are, well, let's get ready to buy a bunch of things for the store. And the problem up here is parking, which is a big problem in Angeles City. Trying to find parking. So we actually parked, I don't know, a few blocks away, and we're starting to do our shopping for the day here. Very busy, a lot of people here already this morning.
What do you want?
Morning. No, thank you.
Honey, ate, honey. Honey.
Ma'am, lagayan mo ng damit.
Sampo lang, sampo. Temporary sabi. Sampo lang, sampo.
Sampo lang.
Eh, boss, 75 na dyan, 75.
Tenga para doon.
Over mo sa motor ko, over sa motor ko.
Sama ka, ha?
Pili lang po, pili lang tayo. Pili.
guys, yeah, that was just a quick stroll down the middle aisle. There's a bunch of other aisles that shoot off to the left and right as you go down through there. You know, there's just so much stuff in there. I mean, I can't even begin to tell you how much stuff is in there. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick stroll down the middle and let you guys, oh no, thank you, and let you guys see, you know, Apo Market. Like I said, I've done a video on it before. I actually put the link down below if you want to check out more of Apo Market. But anyways, I gotta go in there now and I gotta find lunch. Out of all that mess, I gotta find lunch. So I guess that's what cell phones are for. All right, so we're back at the Sari Sari Store now, and this is where the fun begins. We just finished up at the market, and Luisa got a lot of things there. She got like pots and pans and like cups, and I don't know what else she got there. Knives, just a bunch of cooking utensils, things we're going to need here in the store. You got to understand, we're not going to live here, but I know somebody asked the question if we were, or somebody asked the question if we plan to live here. But no, we're not going to live here. But you know, we're going to be here a lot, and we're going to cook here and eat here, and we got to make this, you know, comfortable for us too. But anyways, like I said, the fun begins now, because now's the time that inventorying everything that was bought the past couple days and writing it down, inventorying in the book, writing down how much you paid for it, how much you got, and what your markup is. So that's what Luisa is doing right now, and her brother Norvald is helping, and I'm sitting over in the corner because I would just get in the way. So that's what's going on right now here, the inventorying of all the product, and of course stocking it on the shelves. Now, we did stock up the refrigerator the other day, and we got that loaded up. We didn't do inventory on it yet, but we did load it up, start icing or getting things cold. We got the soda, we got the beer, we got the Sprite, we got the Cobra energy drinks, we got the Gatorade, the Royale, the Mountain Dew, everything's in there, and it's ready to go. So if anybody gets thirsty and they walk by, we got cold beverages for them. And freezer is empty. We're gonna fill that up with ice water or ice and ice candy. All right, so I just got back. I had to leave for a while. I had to pick up Hannah Grace from school, and just got back, and they are about halfway. You're over halfway, right? What? Yeah. They're halfway through the inventory. They got a system going right now. Lutz seems to be calling out the shots, and Norvald over here, he is finding the product, and he's running the calculator. So they got a system going on right now when it comes to this inventory. But this is what's been going on all day, aside from at the market this morning. Now, we never made it to the rice guy. I don't know why we didn't. We just didn't make it there. Figured tomorrow's another day, and we will get there tomorrow and work out our rice deal. But this is the not so fun part of running a business. To me, too much. I don't want to be doing this, but Lut enjoys it, and she's got a good helper, and Hannah Grace is here, and she's helping out now. So before you know it, it'll all be up on the shelves and in the cabinets, and we'll be ready to rock and roll. All right, guys, one of the things we do got to do is we got to put up a sunblock here. Now you can see that our neighbor right here, how they have a, you know, how they have the sunblock there to keep the sun from beating into their place. But the sun beats in through here from early morning until late evening, and so we got to put something up there to keep the sun from blaring in there. We don't want to roast, we don't want to cook, but you go down the street and you look, and most everybody has them up. Now the other side of the street, the right side, they got shade from the sun all day, and we got sun all day, so we gotta fix something, rig something up there, so we don't cook in our store. And you can see some of the stuff we got now that's out of the box. It's got noodles and little cakes and what's this? Oh, sugars and Bear Brand and Tang and snacks and fudgy bars and just a ton of stuff. Canned goods, tuna fish, what else? God, there's just so much here. Tide detergents over there. Downy laundry soap. All kinds of laundry soap. Diapers. Diapers is a good thing to have. Matter of fact, there's a couple people with a bunch of little kids that are living in apartments next to us. And talking to Luisa's friend, she said everybody's always asking for diapers. So we grabbed some diapers and I don't know, just a ton of stuff here we got. What else do we got, Hannah Grace?
Bear Brand.
Bear Brand. What else?
Pancit Canton.
Pancit Canton.
Tilapia.
Tilapia.
Buttercream.
Buttercream crackers. Prawn crackers. Candy.
Lover.
What? Lover. Oh yeah, Lover's chips. What is that? Fita crackers. Chubby. We got some chubbies. Chubbies. Icol. Double mint gum. Double mint fresh gum. Mentos. Lollipops. All kinds of good stuff. Right? Right, Hannah Grace? Alright guys, I think I'm going to wrap this one up. They're inside still doing inventory. Probably inventory tomorrow also. Got to go to a couple places tomorrow to check some prices on a few things. But the journey continues and we're rolling right along, and opening day is coming up. We don't know when. And but you guys will be there for the opening day, and you guys are sharing this ride right along with us. So, all right, guys. I guess until tomorrow.